If you've watched the previous video in this series, you have seen how blockchain has evolved over the years to become a powerful, decentralized technology. Well, it's not just about selling and buying cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is transforming industries. We're seeing all sorts of new businesses pop up, offering everything from efficiency to lower fees, and even completely new ways of doing things. Today, we're diving into some of the most exciting and impactful businesses on blockchain to give you a sense of how it's opening up a whole new world of possibilities. And don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want to take full advantage of blockchain and Web 3.0. Imagine cutting out the layers of traditional banking system in cross-border lending and borrowing. Back in 2018, a platform called Compound made it possible for people to lend and borrow billions using blockchain. No middlemen, just smart contracts running the show. Fast forward to today, platforms like Aave and Uniswap are facilitating millions in trades and loans every single day without banks or brokers, just peer-to-peer finance. Not just that, blockchain is revolutionizing product transparency as well. Companies like Walmart can easily track the journey of leafy greens from farm to shelf. What used to take days to trace in the event of a recall now takes seconds. And it's not just groceries. Luxury brands like LVMH use blockchain to fight counterfeits. Every product has a digital certificate of authenticity that's nearly impossible to tamper with. So when customers are buying that designer bag, they know it's the real deal. Protecting identity is key, and blockchain offers a solution. Take Civic Technologies. It allows users to verify their identity in real time, securing credentials for trusted digital interactions. It's like having an extra layer of protection for your identity, with credit report alerts, ID theft recovery insurance, and 24/7 fraud support. Then there's WorldCoin, co-founded by Sam Altman. It's using blockchain to create a global proof of personhood system, making sure your digital identity stays uniquely yours. In healthcare, medical data is often scattered across different systems, but it's time to bring it all together. At the Mayo Clinic, they're piloting blockchain to securely share patient records with specialists. No duplicates, no data loss, just seamless, accurate information sharing. And that means better care for patients. Remember when digital art seemed impossible to own? Not anymore. Enter NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. In 2021, digital artist Beeple sold an NFT artwork for a jaw-dropping $69 million at Christie's. Thanks to blockchain, the ownership of that digital piece is permanently verified. And for sports fans, there's NBA Top Shot, a marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade iconic video highlights. They've already generated over $230 million in sales. It's like collecting trading cards, but digital. The synergy between blockchain and IoT has proven immensely transformative. In Hamburg, Germany, blockchain is making port operations smoother. By using blockchain and IoT to coordinate truck arrivals, they've boosted release processes significantly. No more long lines and wasted hours. Blockchain makes systems fair, regulated, and more secure, from transparent voting and property transactions and ownership records to protecting copyrights and in-game assets. It also verifies academic credentials, records legal documents, ensures fair revenue sharing, and authenticates content. Blockchain isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool reshaping industries and how we interact with the world. Now that you're getting a sense of how blockchain is making waves, it's time to go deeper. Up next, we'll break down some of the core concepts that power blockchain's infrastructure. Curious about how wallets work, why gas fees matter, or how smart contracts execute? Stay tuned, and let's keep exploring the future of blockchain together.
Download the Token Money Magnet app, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon now.